Hey guys, so in this video we are going to learn about conditional formatting based on the values using data bars, color scales and icons. Icons similar to traffic signal. Okay, so let's get started. So let's say this is the data which you are having of the employees in your organization. Okay, and you want to highlight some of the data. So what do you need to do is go to the data bar. So this is the salary. Okay. So let's say this is your salary and you want to highlight the salary based on the amount. Okay. So the one with higher amount will be shown with a higher data bar and the one with lower amount will be shown with the lower data bar. Okay. So I will click on conditional formatting and I just need to select based on your color preference. You can select the value which you need. Okay, one more thing you need to keep sure is if your grids are small. Okay, and if you use conditional formatting with data bars, then this reading of the numbers might get difficult if you use solid colors. So based on that, you need to make sure that you use the right colors which are needed. So you can use this color. Okay, then this shows, see, if you see this value, I think this is the highest value in this column, so it is 100% utilized. So what it does is based on the percentage of the salary from 10 to 100. Okay, it will create this bar for this particular section. So now let's say if you want this, now you can also use color scales also. So color scales basically they will provide you different range of colors for each cells. Okay, so now we are actually having the conditional formatting set for data bars also. So I will just clear all the rules. Okay, we clear for the selected cells and then I need to go back, then select color scales. So what color scales is, why this amount is in green color and this is in a different color. So I will show you what does this means. Just go to data and sort it to Z. Okay, sort it. So if you see this section shows, I will sort it Z to A. Okay, so if you see this is darker pink, then lighter pink, and then light yellow, then green, and then dark green. So based on the value, it just changes its color. So you can based on the color itself, you can tell, you can imagine that this particular value is among this set of range. Okay, so I will just press Ctrl Z. Okay, Ctrl Z again. Okay, so this was regarding the color schemes. Okay, color scales, I mean. Okay, under more rules you can check which color you want, format only cells that contains, and so on. You can do n number of things which if needed. Format value only unique or duplicate values, then you can also write a formula to highlight the cell. Okay, I will just go and clear this rule again to show you other rule. So these are the icon sets which you can highlight your salary, whether this salary is within a higher range or a lower range. You can also have multiple rows, multiple sections like 4 arrows. You can have 5 arrows based on your requirement. If you want to show it in with the traffic light signal, you can use these icons. You can use flags also. So there are different ways which wherein you can use these flags. Okay, so let's say I am using this one. Okay, and now if you see the value which is on the minimum range will be shown as red arrow, with the one with yellow one with the right arrow will be shown with in the middle range, and the one with the highest amount or at the highest level range will be shown in green color I mean. Okay, so now you can also manage these rules. Okay, these icon sets are there, you can go to edit tool. So at this point of time they have kept 67 as percentage as the value and then 33 as the value. So you can change this as, let's say, 95, and over here you can keep it as 10. Okay, so if you want to change to different value or you want 4 range, you can always select these values. So let's say I am keeping 4 ranges, 75, 50 and 25. Okay, click OK. So if you see, this will get changed. I will just show you again. Manage rule, edit. I will select only top 3. Okay, I will keep it as 90 and top 10 as 5%. Okay, okay. So if you see, the top 10 will be under 5%. Okay, so these are different ways wherein you can use this cells and manage rule. So there are a lot of things which you can use. You can also apply a new rule based on your requirement. Okay, now let's say you want to show only these arrows and not the different values which are getting displayed. Okay, so in that case what needs to be done is you will select this show icon only. So in case you are into middle of some presentation and you don't want to show those values, you can always go with arrow signature so that the salaries are not shown to the users. However, you can always change the way this data is getting shown. So I will just, if you want to, if there are multiple rules being shown in a particular column, you can just go to conditional formatting and manage rule and change it also. You can do multiple things over here. I will just go and clear all the rules so that you can work as per your requirement. Okay, so that was it for the day. I know today I was a bit fumbled in my okay, so you can subscribe to this channel if you like this channel, and thank you.